First, you need to open the Snapchat app, and then to do this, open the Snapchat app and simply swipe from the camera screen to the right. This will bring you to the chat page. Next, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and you'll see a blue circle with a chat icon inside. This is the new chat button. Tap on the button to proceed. Once you're on the new chat page, you need to select at least 2 people to add to the new group. After selecting the first person, go ahead and select the second contact. Then you can name the group chat, so you can put on a new group name and you can start chatting. Once you have named the group, press down to save it. Now tap chat with group and to enter the chat room you just created. You can verify the group chat and go back.